Today, in this series, I'll be showing you how to use Linux Mint. This first series is for beginners, and then in a later series, it'll be more complicated things. In this episode, I'll show you how to install the Gwake terminal, which is similar to the normal terminal that is pre-installed like this, except for it shows up like this. It's somewhat transparent so you can see what you're doing behind it. So you could watch a YouTube video or Netflix if you have a Netflix app installed, and still install or update things at the same time. I need to cancel it real quick. Okay. Now go to the software manager, which will either be here, or if you have a later version than what I'm running right now, which is Linux Mint Petra 16, then it may not show up here. So you'll need to go to Administration and the Software Manager. Put in your password. It'll load for a few seconds. Then go to the search and search Gwake. That's G-U-A-K-E. Then open it, and then I already have it installed, but you may not, so you'll have to go to where it says remove right here for me, but you'll say install. Click it. Then once it's done installing, then you'll close this, and then go to Menu, Administration, Gwake Terminal, and then it'll start. It'll, in a few seconds, hopefully, show a notification. There, Gwake, press F12 to use it, clear notifications, then press F12, and it'll open this. Now, to update, you'll need to do sudo space apt-get space update, then press enter. Put in your password, and then this may take a few minutes or just a few seconds, depends on your network speed. What this does is it'll check all these sources to see if there's any new apps. So these aren't all new things, these are just things that are being checked for. Then you'll do sudo apt get upgrade, or if you don't want to write all that a second time, you just press up and that'll bring back what you did before and delete everything except for sudo apt get up and then write grade. I don't have any updates to install, but if I did, I would have to do an uppercase Y when it asks. It says something like, do you want to install the updates for this computer? And it'll have a Y and an N for yes and no. You'll do a uppercase Y and then press enter, and then it'll do similar to all this that showed up on the apt update. Then press F12 to close it. Then you can also change the preferences by right-clicking in the bottom little applet area, clicking Preferences, and you can change things such as the window height, way it scrolls, or appearance. I have it set with white text and a gray background that's similar to what it comes with. And I have it set on somewhat transparent, but not too much, so that I can still read the text easily. You may have to change these settings based on your monitor and just whatever you have behind the Gwake terminal. Well, next episode will be on how to install applets. Goodbye.